Hey guys, welcome back to 𝐸𝐬𝐿, the cooking channel that's not so useless. Today we'll be cooking up some crispy chicken wings, fried two ways. Personally, I find these oddly addicting, and unashamedly, I could easily eat a good 20 or 30 of these in one sitting. And one of the reasons why I believe these wings to be so addictive is because there is no one key flavor profile overpowering another. For example, in Korean soy garlic fried chicken, the distinct flavor is soy sauce and garlic. But here, we just have pure, unadulterated, juicy chicken goodness cranked up to 11, and encased in a crispy fried shell, with no chance of any sensory-specific satiety. And one of the reasons why this works so well is because of this key ingredient: fermented red bean curd. So to make these delectable wings, we need to do two key things: marinate the wings, and then fry them. To marinate these wings, we'll need chicken wings, light soy sauce, cooking wine, chicken powder, cornstarch, red bean curd, garlic powder, sugar, and salt. For the quantities, we'll need 10 chicken wings, middle sections, half a tablespoon of light soy sauce, half a tablespoon of cooking wine, half a teaspoon of chicken powder, half a tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 red bean curd cube, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of sugar, and 1/3 of a teaspoon of salt, plus another half teaspoon for the brine. To begin, we want to prevent the chicken wing from bleeding when we fry it, so we're going to soak them in a brine, with enough cold water to submerge the wings. Add the wings, along with half a teaspoon of salt. Give the brine a quick mix, and let the chicken wings soak for about half an hour. After half an hour, you can see that some of the blood is already gone from the wings. Drain the wings, and then give them a good rinse through with cold water. After rinsing, put them in a strainer and let them drip dry. Or, if you're in a hurry, use some paper towels and dry them by hand. Place the wings into a big bowl and add all of the ingredients. Then, just mix away. Once the marinade has been thoroughly mixed into the chicken wings, wrap them up and put them in the fridge. We'll be marinating these wings over 2 nights, so be sure to plan ahead. To fry the wings, we're going to need plain flour, cornstarch, and egg. And if you want, you can also toss in some salt. With these ingredients, we're going to be coating these wings 2 ways. Method 1, with a lot of cornstarch to coat the wings thoroughly in its entirety, and method 2, with the cornstarch mixed in. Before we start coating the wings, start heating up your oil. We want the oil to be 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit by the time we finish coating. With half a beaten egg, and half a tablespoon of plain flour. Mix them into the wings. Then in another bowl, with some cornstarch and a smidge of salt. Toss the wings in and coat them nicely. Once you're done, and the oil is 180 degrees, toss them into the oil and let them cook for about 5 minutes. It is important to make sure that the oil is a constant 180 degrees when frying, So be sure to turn up the heat if the temperature dropped due to the addition of the wings. About halfway through, turn the wings over. When the 5 minutes are up, take the wings out of the oil and let them dry on some paper towels. These wings were super crispy, but I'll be honest, they do look less appetizing than the second method. If we cut into one of the wings, you can see just how juicy the meat is. So, that was method 1. Now moving on to method 2. Again, we'll need half a beaten egg and half a tablespoon of plain flour. Then mix them into the wings. We are then going to add about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix it through. Then with the same frying steps as method 1, 180 degrees for 5 minutes. And be sure to get every last bit of marinade. The end result is, as I've already mentioned, more visually appealing and of course, still very crispy, albeit method 1 was a bit crispier. And while they're still hot, you can sprinkle a smidge of salt if you want. And just look at this close-up of the crispy shell. Again, the meat is just so juicy. So guys, that was my family's recipe for fried chicken wings. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you ever get the chance to try this video out, be sure to tell us how it went. And if you want to see any future videos, be sure to subscribe. See ya.